Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to block someone on Discord. First of all, you can open the Discord application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select a server. After selecting the server, you can just simply select a chat that you want to block. I can select Hanan chat, tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can just simply tap on the profile at the top left corner of the screen. And after this, you can just simply see the options, that is members. You can just simply tap on the name. After tapping on the name, you can just simply tap on three dots at the top right side of the screen. And after this, you can see different options. Here, you can just simply tap on block, and it is the way you can block someone on Discord. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help? Drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.